Welcome to the Reserves at Saddlebrook. Today I'm going to be showing you a 2-bedroom, 2-full bath. So right now we are in our living room. The living rooms come with ceiling fans and nice lighting. It also comes equipped with a nice storage closet that is actually very, very oblong to house all of your belongings. Now we're going to come over into our kitchen area. In our kitchen area, it's all black appliances. It's got lots of cabinetry space. You'll also have a microwave that's good, so you don't have to purchase that. How great is that? We also have a nice spacious dining room area. You can even put a computer desk in your dining room. That's how nice it is. Okay, next thing we're going to come down is down the hallway. Each unit does have a nice coat closet for you. Our first bathroom is actually really large, and let me tell you the good reason for this. You can use your bathroom for a tornado shelter. There's nice cabinetry space here as well too. Has a nice step-in bathtub shower. After you're done, we're going to go ahead and go over to our first bedroom. This is our first bedroom. It's pretty spacious. You're going to get a nice walk-in closet. Now here's an extra added bonus. In Wichita Falls and in this area, we don't have a lot of these, so you'll have your own washer and dryer, full units that are actually in these units. You're going to also have your HVAC, which is your air conditioning and your water heater. Now we're going to venture into the master bedroom, which also has a nice ceiling fan and a nice large window for your viewing. In the master bedroom, you'll have a bathroom that is off of your master bedroom, which also has another nice walk-in closet for you. Has a lot of cabinetry space as well. This is a full-size bathroom, so it does have a walk-in tub shower. So the only thing that's missing is you.